Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix OBS camera not working. So the first thing is that the first reason could be that you didn't add the virtual camera to your OBS. So this is my OBS. Just go and click on the plus icon here, and once you click on this plus icon you will get this option of video capture device. You can rename anything here. I'll just let it whatever it is. Now device is USB HD. So my camera, it's on, but I have placed my thumb over here. But I hope you got the point. Now as you can see here, you can adjust here, but I will show you later. But first of all, you have to select the device. If you have any external camera, and once you connect through the USB, automatically you will get this a different option. Right, so here you have to select the device which is working right now. In my case, it is by default my laptop camera here, and I can just deactivate it, but if I deactivate, then it will not working. Now here you have to do nothing, resolution and everything, make it just it is, let it be what it is, right? And let it be in the default section, and audio output mode. So capture audio only, so let it be whatever it is. Now just go and click on OK. Now here you can just place your camera or video wherever you want. If you want to stream, you can stream it, or you can just do whatever you want, right? So this is how you can do it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.